This is Osaka, a dynamic city, and Dotonbori is known for its cosmopolitan environment. People generally visit Osaka for business. However, Osaka's primary attractions are Kansai International Airport that is built on an island, the King Palace, mummified food displays on shop, an animal zoo, and a Ferris wheel. Osaka is cheaper than Tokyo, but everything is smaller, including the lead of a storage line, and cycles are overlapped with one another in Osaka. Japan in general. Osaka boasts a Western atmosphere for shopping and secret places for entertainment. Osaka has many job opportunities. Vacancy is everywhere. Salary is high. But legalization or job visa in Japan is difficult for anyone over the age of 25 and without a STEM background. However, many foreigners can be observed working in this city located near the ocean.
একটা ভালো ক্যামেরা কিনার মানে অনেকদিন ধরেই বলতেছি কিন্তু কিনা আর হচ্ছে না।